pictures or video lighting. We also ask that all light-up toys and accessories such as necklaces, mouse ears, bubble wands, lightsabers, and anything with a glowing or flashing light is turned off at this time. You are welcome to take as many photos and videos as you would like as long as there is no flash. Once again, your next stop is Main Street, USA.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
And once again, please turn off all light-up necklaces. We don't want to scare the animals away.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train.
We are now steaming our way into Main Street Station. For your safety, please remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. If you are traveling with a walker, wheelchair, or a stroller this evening, please keep in mind that Main Street Station only has stairs. There is no ramp or elevator. Once again, there are only stairs here at Main Street Station. We do advise keeping all wheeled objects folded until you reach the bottom of the steps here at Main Street. Once again, please remain fully seated to reach that full and complete stop. Thank you for riding with us, and welcome back to Main Street.
Mami, just